Hi, welcome to my Daily DAV. Following on from yesterday's research and discussions with Lior and Tal, we're now going to begin narrowing down to a couple of protocols that we're going to begin working on as a team. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is my first Daily DAV. I've started to work yesterday and I've been studying a lot. I've got to study the code and the tasks that we've got ahead of us. So hopefully I'll have more updates tomorrow and in the next few days.
Morning everyone. Yesterday I continued with the email correspondences as usual. I also helped coordinate the announcement of Alan Messer as our newest advisory board member, so we're really excited about that. Today, continuing with more of the emails, they are continuing to come in at a really fast pace and doing everything I can to keep up. I will also be having a meeting with our partners at Blockchain IL, and I'll be preparing for our weekly comms team meeting. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, so yesterday we finished implementing the new design onto our developer portal, which is great. It's about to go live very soon. And I started creating wireframes for a new page on the website, technology page. You can get a quick look on it, just the wireframes, so showing our products and POCs and some other milestones along the way. So I'll continue working on that today, along with some other tasks that I have. And I think this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey there! So yesterday was a really exciting day. We welcomed a new team member to the R&D. I spent the first half of my day working with Shahar, introducing him to everyone, getting him up to speed on all of our different projects. I also had a number of meetings, and the most interesting one was actually at midnight. That was my the first time I took part in a meeting of the automotive working group of the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium. We were working together to build the common standards for connected cars. That was really exciting, and I'll have more info about that very soon. Today I started my day by working on a pull request from Timmy, basically refactoring all of missions and mission control, teaching it how to speak our communication protocol language. I also worked on a pull request from Lior. I had a call with a really exciting advisor, and we just finished shooting our video about our trip to Moscow a few weeks ago. I'm heading into another call now, and then I'll have some time to sit on GitHub and start having some fun. See you tomorrow.
Hey Davers, Alick here. My day is going remarkably well. I'm getting excited for Noam's speech tomorrow at the Impact Labs here downstairs at our office. He will be speaking to 60 mayors from all around the world that want to hear about the DAV network. Today, a retired Israeli Air Force general contacted me asking me questions about the DAV network. This general was a squadron leader of drone squadrons, and we'll see how that will develop. Super interesting. That's about it, guys. Have a good day. Bye.